In a pinch and need a jump? Cornwell has got you covered with their 12-volt jump pack. The fully automatic, professional-grade, high-output AGM battery for 12-volt systems generates 2200 peak amps, 525 cranking amps, and 350 cold cranking amps. The digital display shows the internal battery percentage of charge as well as the charging voltage when the vehicle is running. It has a 2-amp external automatic charger for quick recharge without the worry of overcharging. There's also a 12-volt DC power outlet for powering 12-volt devices and for recharging in-vehicle when in transit, as well as a USB port for powering or recharging portable electronic devices. The unique red on-off power switch disconnects the 4-gauge 60-inch clamps from the internal battery to help prevent accidental sparking. An audio warning will sound if clamps are connected in reverse. This jump pack is available from your local Cornwell dealer today.